Hello folks, Chad Stanton here, professional furniture maker of 25 years, sharing my experiences with you. Now today's video is actually a clip that came out of a longer video that I recently put online. It was chair crafting, the full extended version. Now this tip I thought was good to be like a standalone little video. It works for you not just with chairs, but with tables, nightstands, bedposts, anything that would need a taper. This is a nice little trick, and it can all be done on just the joiner. Now the next way I want to show you is how I was taught by Glenn Huey, and this is a really cool trick, and it's done on the joiner. Now, I can do that tapering effect in just 2 passes, and I don't need any prior tools before it, such as the table saw or bandsaw. Now before I show it to you, I do have to show you a couple of layout lines that I have to put on the leg first. All right, I hope these pencil marks are showing up on the camera. So I told you I want from the bottom up 12 inches, and then that's where the taper is going to start to go down. But to do this on the joiner, I want to make a mark in the middle of this distance. So that's real simple. It's at 6 inches, and I made that going all the way around. Okay, a couple of things I want to stress to you is one, have some scrap pieces that you can definitely practice with, because this does take a little bit of setup, but once you have it, it's good to go. All right, one of the things that's important is that I wanted to find right where these blades will disappear underneath the table. So this line here is right where it's going to stop cutting. The second thing is I'm trying to taper this down to 1.25 inches, and so coming off of 1.5 inches, I have to take off 1/4 inch on this, which means that's actually 1/8 inch on each side. So this is where a little practice is going to come in. I've set my machine up not quite for 1/8. I think it's, and this thing is so hard to read, but I think I have it set for like around 3:30 seconds. Now the trick to this is I'm going to have the bottom, the foot, going into the joiner first. And what I want to do is I'm going to push it until my 6-inch pencil line lines up with this here. And I'm going to do that on all 4 sides. Okay, so let's take a look here. Now, I know what you're saying. You're like, Chad, that's not even remotely close to a nice gradual taper on it. Okay, hang on. This is where it comes pretty cool. Without changing the settings on the joiner, you're now going to flip the leg around. So now the foot, the bottom of the leg, is facing towards me. And I'm going to push it through. Notice how it's laying flat on the joiner? I don't want that. I want to make sure that this part here, this gap, this is down. So the front end is raised up, okay? And then this time now I'm going to push all the way through. And there we are. A nice gradual taper down. Pretty cool, huh? Again, takes a little practice, a little setup, but it's simple, it's fast, and it's accurate. Now all I have to do is just clean this up a little bit with a card scraper and some sanding. I'm good to go. Now if you want to see the whole video and it comes with other tips, well, it's down in the description box there, Chair Crafting, the full extended version. Hey, and don't forget to sign up for the free monthly newsletter where I share with you different articles from myself and other contributing editors. As always, please like, subscribe, share, and comment to this video because it really does help me out on the algorithms of the whole YouTube channel world. So if you have questions about something you're working on your shop, well, feel free to email me at woodchoppingtime@gmail.com because my whole goal is to make you a better woodworker. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on dancing.